What a lazy fuck. What a lazy fuck. Check this out, people. Good morning. First of all, no, good afternoon. We just woke up. Oh, we didn't woke up. We've been up, but got this lazy brat here. It's my son, Nate. Nate, what's your channel, Nate?
Dreams, period. Dreams with an S, not an S.
Period.
He got his period.
You guys, period.
Nah,
So, anyways, today, what we doing? There's a challenge with my my step kids or my kids. Fuck the step kids. My daughters, they close the bathroom door because they don't want me to record them. But the challenge is to see how long they can last handcuffed together. Right, Papa? That's my son too. God, Jesus, look at that over there.
Let's see.
So,
Open.
that's the wifey.
All right, here's our challenge.
Sheena.
Mad, just
Instagram.
Our challenge.
Follow her. That's the challenge. Let me
you
see.
need better high heels. You look like you
They're gonna be like that all day. Sisters. Sisterly bond. Sister bonding. So that's what we're gonna do. See how long.
Jesus.
Is 3:20 in the afternoon, and we're gonna see how long they're gonna last.
Nah, they're not gonna last nothing. They're gonna give up quick. Watch, they can't last.
How long you think they're gonna last for?
They're gonna last not even an hour. Like as soon as we hit the door.
They fight a lot, right?
Yo, as soon as we hit the door, they're gonna give up.
What do you think? What do you think? That's K-Nitis.
Holy shit. They gotta shit together.
Yep, they gotta use the bathroom, poop together.
How's my makeup look?
Makeups look good. Car sound crazy. Stop yelling.
Yo, hurry up before anything gets in the.
The camera lens is so clear. It's like so clean. Because it's like,
That's a filter.
oh, whatever, it's still clean. Close to clean now.
Say goodbye, buddy. That's how we do. That's what we do to kids that don't listen.
Yeah, right.
Nah. He just like to sit back there for some reason. It's super hot though. God, Jesus. I never was this hot. I need a wider lens. Nothing important, babe. Nothing important.
Look at this. It's doing stupid stuff.
Okay, what?
My phone is just being stupid. We're gonna play music. Look. It's the weirdest thing.
It's the weirdest thing, she said.
I don't know. Something we haven't heard, but look, I don't have any like. See how it's being stupid?
They still cuffed. The other one's sleeping. They still cuffed.
3 hours later.
It's 4 o'clock. Still more to go. $4:35. They're still handcuffed. Good girls, good girls, good girls.
See how many people look at them funny.
Oh yeah, there's gonna be a lot of people looking at them.
Oh
They're not gonna look at them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Like a festival, Puerto Rican festival. Whatever the fuck it is.
Is it Puerto Rican parade?
No, it's not a Puerto Rican parade. Not a Puerto Rican parade, but a festival for the people of Puerto Rico and Hartford. We in Hartford right now. Hartford, Connecticut, CT, baby. That's where I'm from originally. So, born in Puerto Rico, raised here, Hartford.
What's con con?
Con con.
We're not handcuffed. We're not handcuffed.
They give up. They didn't last long. They gave up. They uncuffed themselves.
She did that.
Who did it?
That finger people right up in
They gave up.
She's always touching me. Yeah, te montaba a caballo.
Pero tienen miedo a los perros.
Gotta wait for the line. Huh?
Let me see how you look.
Put it too close.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Gotta get to that 1,000.
He need 1,000 to do what? What do you need 1,000 for?
So I can get a Fortnite to get notified.
Look at this shit.
Oh, they gone. Look at they gone.
What did Cowboy said to you? What Cowboy told you?
Cowboy, he's like, you was right here. Now you're up here. I'm like, he's like, now I gotta look up to you. Now I gotta look for you.
How you taller than Nayeli? You taller than Nayeli, taller.
I had it like this. What? You almost got it. You almost got it.
How about you want that? No.
I can never.
Money block. Huh?
If I got some little,
So they give up.
Yeah.
I give up eating.
Yes.
This thing.
Gotta push it back because it's a 24-inch.
Well, my arm's not that long.
Bring it over here.
Filming the sky. Gotta stretch your
That's
arm
what I
out.
just did.
Leave my expensive camera alone. The lens is right there. Bay psyched up today.
I'm gonna call Bonnet and see if she's home.
Maybe we should. Wow, each one.
Big one.
for being bad.
Hey, my armpits are sweating, yo. Fuck. And I got a tank top. My armpits are sweaty, yo. Watch yourself.
He got caught. He not supposed
Hartford police. Keys, stroller in the back. Cause we're leaving up and then. Oh, saca el bulto, saca el bulto. Saca el bulto. Huh?
The handcuff
Yeah, we'll get
and
it later.
the stroller. I'm to the store.
Alright,
Oh, I gotta get the pee-pee.
Nathan will give it to you.
Come, Papi, come.
Go, get in, son. See? For being bad. That's what happened when they be bad. Be bad, you being bad boy. Let's go. You go be a bad boy.
Stupid neck.
Time to go. Yes. Time to go. We had our little. Hey, there's no need for that. So wifey decided to use the bathroom.
That's messed up.
And this is what she's using. At a work site. Look what she's using that at.
Are we going back?
A damn porta potty.
Daddy.
Did you use it?
Yeah, it was clean.
See? See? It was clean. Told you.
Oh God, so clean.
Porta potty status.
What?
Team porta potty. This is what we do. This is what we do in the summer with the fam, with the kids. See, kids are there. Post up outside and just dance, hear the music. Gotta love it. Look, they even showing the music video over there. Oh, look at that.